Today, we are highlighting the transformative potential of Copilot in healthcare analytics. With the power of advanced data-driven insights, Copilot is reshaping how we approach care management. By integrating this technology, healthcare professionals are better equipped to make informed and timely decisions that directly translates to improved patient outcomes. Now let's dive into how these capabilities can lead to more effective strategies for managing patient care. Meet Julia, a population health director who wants to improve overall health outcomes and quality of life for the population by implementing targeted interventions and preventive measures. Julia is interested in analyzing anemia trends across the population, focusing on clinical, claims, and social insights. She accesses the Power BI dashboard to conduct this multi-domain analysis. As Julia navigates through the Overview Insights section, she observed that anemia is highly prevalent among older adults. Switching over to claims data, Julia wants to understand the overall financial impact of anemia. She prompts Copilot to analyze cost trends across all quarters and observes that claim amounts have consistently remained high throughout the year. This pattern prompts Julia to investigate the underlying drivers, aiming to uncover which services are contributing most to the substantial cost. As she pivots to the social determinants of health data, Julia overlays population-level insights to identify environmental factors influencing anemia rates. She finds geographic clusters of high prevalence of overlapping with food deserts and low-income areas, with the state of Illinois and Texas standing out the most. By using prompts such as analyze anemia prevalence in areas with low access to grocery stores and identify if anemia is a condition in high poverty areas, Julia confirms that lack of access to grocery stores in low-income regions is a key driver behind the nutrition gaps contributing to this condition. Exploring resource utilization charts, Julia notices that anemia cases are not being identified through regular primary care visits, but rather emerge later during hospital admissions. Copilot insights reveal that average predicted length of stay for these patients can extend up to 3 days. And 30-day readmission rates are notably high, leading to a substantial cost for providers. These trends highlight gaps in preventive care and care coordination that could be addressed earlier in the patient journey. To tie everything together, Julia combines clinical, claims, and social indicators to identify high-risk zones. For example, the state of Illinois and Texas show high anemia rates, poor nutrition access, and high inpatient costs. These findings allow Julia to prioritize these geographies for intervention. As a result of this comprehensive analysis, Julia outlines the following actions. Launch community-based nutrition programs in anemia-dense food deserts, conduct provider education in overutilized inpatient centers, strengthen primary care screening pathways to reduce ER dependency. In conclusion, with all insights unified on Microsoft Fabric's healthcare data solution, Julia was able to derive data-driven decisions that improve care access, reduce costs, and enhance overall population health.